how to make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to explain a very easy skill and easy way to make money from Google Maps. So what we will need first is to open your Google Maps, then open this side panel, then type the United States, and then zoom in and choose a random city. For example, let's choose Biringa, for example. So here let's zoom on Biringa here, and after zooming open again this side panel. And basically the idea, guys, is that we're going to search for local businesses and particularly small businesses. Then we're going to check their business profiles in Google Maps, and you will see if they have some bad reviews, and we will see if they have little reviews, and also we will see if they don't have a website, and then we will see what else they don't have. Then we're going to pitch them to help them with the bad reviews, and to add more reviews to their business profile, and also to make them rank in the top of Google Maps in their business. For example, between hairdressers, we will make them rank in the first lines. We will make them good reviews, and also we will create them a website. And all of these services, we're going to pitch them to the small businesses. But first, you will not need any skill to do that. You will just need to go to find the business, and then book a meeting with the business, then close them and get paid from $150 to $200, $300, $400, as much as you agree with the business owner. And after that, we will go to Fiverr. Then we will search for the freelancers that are going to do these services for us. So basically, we're going to outsource the services to the professional freelancers. So for example, if you are trying to optimize the Google Maps business, we will hire someone like this freelancer here. We will get paid from $150 to $200, and then we will pay the freelancer $25 for the gig. So here, let's find the business first. So let's type here salon, or for example, let's go for a plumber. Let's go here for a plumber, and let's see if we can find some plumbers in here. So here we have rotor plumbing and drain cleaners, Arcades plumbing, and here they have this one has a website and has a lot of reviews. And here we have his number in here if you want to call them. And this one also, let's see if this one has a website or not. So here, rotor plumbing and drain cleaners, this is their website. Let's check the website. We can also see if the website is old and needs a lot of renovation. We can also pitch that to the business. So here I see that this website definitely needs some renovation. It looks pretty old. They don't have even these social media icons are old as well. This is where you can schedule your appointment with the local business. But this is not a small business, this is a big business somehow. Let's see if we can find something small like this one. It has only 53 reviews. And here, this is the website. but we're not going to. Let's see this one. This one also has a website. Let's see, they have a lot of one star reviews. So let's see if we can find for the company in Billings at our job site. This guy was taking pictures of all our personal vehicle license plates. So I took his photo and told him to stay away. Suggest you guys take care of it. That is something you should be doing and while on the job, and don't care why if needs to try asking. So this is definitely a review that they will look to remove. They will look forward to remove from their business webs, their Google Maps business. As you can see, we can pitch that to them as well. I think this is another one who, let's see the more reviews in here. So here, this is the review that we saw before. Amazing experience. This man is a hero. He fixed a bad leak I had during the holiday. Let's see if we can find another one. Precision plumbers showed up to fix our low water pressure. I specifically told them to start by checking the whole house water filter, and they said they would instead. So this is another bad review that we can use to convince the client to purchase our service. So guys, what we will need to do is, let's go to the overview. Then we're going to check. You can take the number and call them to book an appointment with them or a meeting, or you can just go to their website. Then we're going to search for their Instagram or their Facebook page. Then that's where we're going to send them a message to pitch them our offer or our service. So here they only have a Facebook page. So let's go to their Facebook page, and also the website needs a lot of renovations. As you can see, it's very old, even though its copyright is for 2024, but the website is very old. As you can see, it has a bad design, so we can pitch that as well to them. So here, this is their page, and they only have 398 likes and 392 followers. So here you can just click on message, then send them your pitch, something like, hey, my name is, and I'm offering service like a service which is helping you with removing bad reviews from your Google Map business, and also helping you with gaining more good reviews, and also helping you rank in the top of the results in the search using the names like plumber and something like that. So that's what you're going to pitch them, and make sure to book a meeting with them. Don't try to convince them to purchase your service right away. Make sure to try to convince them to book a meeting with you first. Then you can convince them to purchase your service via the meeting, and if you succeed, you will get your first payment. Then you will be able to go to Fiverr and pay the freelancer that is going to do the work for you. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.